Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we're going to be looking at 588 South Main Street, Unit 1R. This is a first floor apartment conveniently located on South Main Street, where you have many services and businesses nearby. This is a one-bedroom apartment with a open-ended layout. This unit has hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment and panel floors. Here we're going to have the main bedroom, maybe your closet space. This unit does have freshly painted walls and refinished hardwood floors. This would be your main living room area or dining room area, equipped with a space heater to heat the whole apartment. Extra storage closet there. This also has a smaller office space kind of room. Not quite large enough for a bedroom, but a spare room. A lot of natural lighting in this unit as well. Here's the kitchen area with the panel floors. Electric stovetop, stainless steel sink. And then lastly here we have the bathroom. Full tub and shower. And this property is managed under Nexus Property Management, giving you access to benefits such as paying rent online and requesting maintenance calls with our 24-hour hotline or off the website. Again, this is 588 South Main Street, apartment 1R in Fall River, Massachusetts.